Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to create a blog and blog post using HTML. So here, why blog a blog with HTML? Define structures and content. HTML is a backbone of the web, defining intrinsic structures and core content of every web page. Understanding HTML is fundamental to web development. Ensure readability and accessibility. Crafting your blog in pure HTML ensures universal readability and accessibility across all device and browser. And SEO-friendly foundation, a well-structured HTML blog naturally boosts your um, search engine optimization (SEO). Clear, systematic markup helps search engine understand and rank your content effectively. Basis for styling and interactivity. HTML provides the solid foundation upon which you can later layer beautiful styles with CSS and dynamic interactivity with JavaScript and bring your blog to life. So here, basic HTML blog structures. Standard HTML5 template. And doc type HTML declares the document type version. HTML, the root element of the HTML page. Head contains meta information about the HTML document. Body contains all the content of an HTML document. And essential mega tags, meta space char set, CHARCET for char set, and then equals to um, open and close parenthesis UTF um, slash I mean minus 8 open and close parenthesis. Then there you go. This one specifies the character encoding, ensuring proper display of text. And then the last one is meta name equals to close and open and close parenthesis, then viewport and open and close parenthesis. Then content equals to open and close parenthesis with equals to device minus width, and then comma space initial slash scale equals to 1.0, and then what do you call this? What do you call it? Open and close parenthesis, and then there we go. Config the viewpoint of for responsive design across device. Blog title example, always include a descriptive title in your head section. Here is an example. Title, my personal blog, title slash then title. There you go. Written blog layout. So here is semantic tags for clarity, and then employ semantic HTML5 tags to clarify, define the purpose of different section of your blog. Header, site wide introduction. Use the header tag for your blog titles, logo, and primary navigation links. Main core content area. The main tag encloses the dominant content of the body section or article. Individual post. For individual posts, use either section or article. Article is preferred for self-contained content that could be distributed independently. And footer, concluding information. The footer tag contains information about the author, copyright data, related comment data, or other related relevant link. So there. Here, writing a blog post in HTML. Key structures element, remember, is article, then H2 or H3, then P for standard paragraph tags for blocks of text ensuring readability, IMG for embedded image to break up text and add visual interest. Always include descriptive alt text for accessibility. And footer inside article contains metadata like author name, publication date, and relevant tags for specific posts. An example right here, as you can see, article H2, my first blog post H2 slash P, this exciting content of my first blog. And there you go, example, guys. So yeah, there you go, as you see. That's an example for it. So there, I hope you guys please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.